Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine effectively. First, choose creatine monohydrate, as it is the most researched and proven form. To kickstart your results, consider a loading phase. This helps saturate your muscles with creatine more quickly. Always mix your creatine powder thoroughly with water or juice for optimal absorption into your system. It's a simple step for maximum benefit. During the loading phase, you will consume 20 grams of creatine daily for 5 to 7 days. It's best to divide this daily amount into 4 separate 5-gram servings. Spread these servings throughout your day, perhaps with meals, to help minimize any potential digestive discomfort. This method ensures your muscles become fully saturated with creatine efficiently and comfortably. Once your loading phase is complete, transition to a daily maintenance dose. For most individuals, 3 to 5 grams of creatine per day is perfectly sufficient to maintain elevated muscle creatine stores. The most important aspect here is consistency. Taking your maintenance dose every single day will ensure you continue to reap the benefits for muscle growth and strength. When using creatine, it is crucial to drink plenty of water throughout your day to stay well hydrated. Creatine is generally considered safe for long-term use when taken according to recommended guidelines. For the best possible results, always combine your creatine supplementation with a consistent resistance training program. This synergy will help you achieve your fitness goals more effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.